Make perfect piadinas every time when you follow this recipe. Hi, I'm Bianca and today I'm taking you to Romagna. Delicious. All of the ingredients together, flour, salt, now just a pinch of baking soda, lard, and we make the dough. Add the water a little at a time. As soon as all the flour is incorporated, we turn it out onto the counter. And we start kneading. Knead it until it becomes very smooth. If you're from Emilia-Romagna, you must know how to make a piadina. It's almost a religion. Et voilà! See how beautiful. Now, cover it with the bowl you used before and let it rest for about 30 minutes. The dough has rested and relaxed, so it will be much easier to work with. Divide it into 6 balls and then shape them like this. Then we wait 2 minutes just because otherwise when you roll it out the dough will be too elastic. Meanwhile, the frying pan is heating up. A dusting of flour and we roll it out. Squash it first with your hands a little and then the rolling pin. Now there are people who make them bigger and others make them smaller, but we make them about 24 centimeters. Look at that! Now let's get cooking. Into a hot frying pan, medium flame, you have to turn it with your hand like this to stop those large bubbles from forming. Anyway, it takes a few minutes. The important thing is that it colors nicely underneath. Turn it and voila, stack them all together immediately while hot, so they remain soft, don't dry out, and now we fill them. You can use any filling you like, but we are going for a classic. That means squacquerone cream cheese, some raw Parma ham, and some fresh arugula. They're also really great just like this. However, we like to eat them with a filling.